Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. Now for this we will need a cable. You want to plug it into your computer and then connect it with the device. Once that's done, let's power off our device. So I'll hold power key. There we go, and select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down. Oh, sorry for the camera, it keeps focusing on the bar above. So okay, now you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. So let me just kind of do this weird reach around so you can see the tablet still. And you want to press both of them at the same time and keep holding them till you see recovery mode on, or not recovery mode, the Fastboot mode on the screen, like this. And that's how you boot into this mode. Now once you're done with it, let's just also unplug it because the cable is not needed. So once you're done with this mode, as you can see right here, maybe I'm going to flip it over. To leave this mode, hold the volume down and power key at the same time. So let's hold both of them at the same time. I believe also holding power key is good enough as well. So the moment you see the screen go black, as the moment that you let go of all the keys, like this. And as you can see, it automatically boots back up. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.